Today, I'm making a BLT salad. Cook the bacon in a 12-inch nonstick skillet until crispy, then transfer to one side of a paper towel lined plate. Then cook torn ciabatta in the leftover bacon fat until nice and crisp. Drain the croutons next to the bacon on the paper towel lined plate. Make the salad dressing by whisking together oil, mayonnaise, vinegar, mustard, garlic, salt, and pepper in a large bowl. Combine tomatoes, salt, and pepper in a bowl and toss to combine. Salting the tomatoes helps pull out some of their excess water. Add some lettuce and torn basil leaves and the drained bacon and croutons to the dressing and toss to combine. Finally, transfer the tomatoes to the salad, leaving their liquid behind, and gently toss it all together. Dig in and enjoy.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.